Isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat and welcome. Good afternoon. I'm Joseph, MJ, your host for today's exciting event. Alam ko lahat ng mga nanonood right now sa ating live are very excited with this program. This is the Wise 3 annual or semi-annual raffle draw and recognition of awards. Isang malakas sa palakpakan naman dyan. So, I know, you know it already. We've been doing this for the past 3 years. We're here to celebrate and reward the incredible dedication and achievements of our star employees. So, let's make some noise and get ready for an unforgettable day kahit nasa bahay lang kayo. So now, at this point in time guys, before we dive into today's festivities, let's take a moment to look back at the last year's spectacular Wise 2 Grand Raffle and recognition of awards. We had an amazing time last year, and this year promises to be even better. So, roll the video. Yes, so once again guys, last year congratulations sa mga nanalo ng ating mga prizes, no? And we are encouraging everyone to be at their top para naman kayo na, malay nyo this year kayo talaga ang manalo. Before I move on to the next segment of our program, I would just like to syempre acknowledge the chairman of the board and CEO, si Mr. Nilo Mercado, who is in Las Vegas, USA right now. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to attend. But thank you. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Nilo. Sa mga gusto pa magpa-shoutout sa ating live stream sa Facebook, please do so. Ayan, at syempre, para naman makita naman yung attendance ng lahat, pwede bang i-type nyo po yung WISE 3? Ayan, W-I-S-E 3. Para naman malaman natin kung sino yung mga attentive at active sa ating live video. And also, I would just like to mention and acknowledge President and CEO Ms. Marites Montiging and all WealthLink officers and staff. Ayan, hello po. Shoutout po sa inyo sa mga nanonood. And syempre mamaya makikita din natin, kasama natin dito si Ma'am Tess to give awards for those employees na nandito din sa ating station. So right now guys, let's talk about the fabulous prizes that we have lined up for Wise 3. The Wise 3 because this is the third year of awarding, guys. And kung nakita nyo sa previous video natin or last year, nakita nyo naman na it was more on pangkabuhayan packages, but we wanted to lift it up. Wise 3 offers 3 package tours. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Yun. Ayan. The first package tour is trip to Thailand. 4 days and 3 nights stay. Wow! O, diba? Makikita niyo yan, yung mga magagandang tanawin sa Thailand. The second prize is the package tour to Hong Kong. 4 days and 3 nights stay. Grabe. Iba. Type Wise 3 kung gusto niyo pong manalo. Ayan, type Wise 3 sa ating live. Malay nyo kayo yung manalo, di ba? And lastly, hindi to malay kasi it's based on your performance din kasi, di ba? So, and lastly, our grand prize is the package tour to Singapore. Grabe yun. 4 days, 3 nights. Okay. And all trips includes pocket money worth 500 pesos a day. Dahil joke lang po, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung pocket money. Pero syempre, well, they wanted you to enjoy. Diba? They wanted you to enjoy and I don't know how much will be the pocket money. Pero aside dun sa trip na ibinibigay or ia-award sa kung sino man yung mananalo for this raffle, syempre, bibigyan din kayo ng pocket money ng boyfriend. So, congratulations in advance sa mga mananalo, guys. And now, bago tayo dumako doon, alam ko naman na excited na lahat kung sino man ang unang mananalo, which is the trip to Thailand. We are going to recognize and award the top employee. So we will be starting with what's this? It's going to be the month of 2025 star employees, no? So today, we also honor our exceptional employees with various awards. We will be recognizing Star Employee of the Month, Star Employee of the Quarter, Top Sales Achiever for the Month, and the Top Sales Achiever for the Quarter. And our dedicated service awardees for 5 years. Siyempre, on behalf of WealthLink, I know we really appreciate you guys and your hard work is truly inspiring. Congratulations po sa inyo. Napaka-dedicated natin ng mga employees from WealthLink. And for those who are new or need a refresher, here is an instructional video on how you can access your e-raffle tickets. Kasi ito yung pinaka-importanting part. Dahil dito nagmamatter kung kayo ba ay mananalo dun sa mga ibinibigay po natin na per-raffle, syempre. So, stay updated with the Wise 3 top 10 leaderboard for the month. But before that, let's watch this video. And syempre, let us call on the top 10 leaderboard for ERT. We've got Julius Lucero as top 1 from Daikin with 145 ERT. Crystal May Ramos from Golden Donuts with 135 ERT. We've got also Joe Marine Ramos, Modern Table Corp, 100 ERT. Christian Suday, MCC, 90 ERT. We've got Eileen De Mayoga from Joe's Place, 90 ERT. Johnny Panganiban from MCC, 85 ERT. Marilyn Mahitana, MCC with 85 ERT. John Lou Avellano from Daikin with 80 ERT. John Del Castillo from Wilcon with 80 ERT. And lastly, Eliza Suson from MCC with 80 ERT. Congratulations! At patuloy lang kayo mag-claim siyempre ng ERT nyo para mas tumaas pa yan. Malay nyo, yung iba kaya lang wala sa top 10 leaderboard is because they haven't submitted yet their ERTs as well. So now, as we move along and after this leaderboard, I think we are going to recognize the top contenders. Or are we done with this? We're done? Okay, we are going to provide the top contenders or for the leaderboard of the month. Ayan. So, let's recognize, okay. So, we're going to have a mini raffle. So, for the meantime, guys, before natin i-award yung mga star employees awardee, we are going to kick off first with our mini raffle. Meron tayong electronic raffle wherein ito-draw natin yung unang 5. Okay, 5 kagad ang mananalo. So, meron bang mga nagpapa-shoutout dyan kung sino yung gustong manalo? Ayan, mukhang merong gusto magpa-shoutout. Ayan. Sige, magpa-shoutout muna tayo habang pine-prepare natin yan. Okay. Shoutout muna sa ating mga nanonood. Okay, from Peter John Silawan. From shoutout CBS Tagong Warehouse. And also, ayan, from Caitlin Francis Infante. Shoutout Sir Lloyd Pogi. Hindi po ako si Sir Lloyd, ako po si Joseph. Ayan, kamukha ko po si Sir Lloyd. Oo. And next one natin ay from Raymond Cruda Idion. Shoutout CBS Santiago City. And lastly, from Val Mendez. Shoutout from CBS Tandag City CTS China Bank Savings. Ayan, CBS pala, sorry. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So I think we're gonna raffle now. Tingnan natin kung sino ang unang mananalo ng ating mini raffle draw. Let's draw it. Sino to? Jemelyn Larobis! Congratulations! Screenshot nyo na kung sino ba yung mga kaibigan nito. Si Jeneline, congratulations. For the next raffle, John Art Lapian! Congratulations, John Art! Screenshot mo na yan. For our third raffle winner, Abigail Bertonel. Congratulations sa iyo. Pang-apat na to. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo. Gina Lapita! Congratulations! At ang last na mananalo ng mini raffle ay si Jane Rod Ondong. Congratulations to all of the 5 winners. So, stay tuned kung paano nyo po i-claim ang inyong mga mini raffle, guys. Congratulations ulit sa ating 5 nagwagi ng ating mini raffle. So now, dadako na tayo sa awarding. Okay, so right now, we are going to first notify and acknowledge the Star Employee of the Month category. Now, we're going to watch a video for the nominees for the Star Employee of the Month. Yes, once again to all the nominees, congratulations. Pero meron na po kaming napili. So, the winner for the Star Employee of the Month are, so ibig sabihin, hindi lang isa, kundi 10. Sige, play na natin. Jenica M. De La Cruz, congratulations. So your supervisor has a message. Once again, congratulations. Next naman natin ay si Joel J. Nicolas from China Bank Savings. And your supervisor has a message for you. Once again, congratulations. For the next Star Employee of the Month, Jusen Cabazeres, Golden Donuts Incorporated. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi, Josan! This is Claire, supervisor in Wealth Incorporated. Great job and congratulations for winning the Star Employee for the month of June. Your supervisors, Ma'am Jian, I commend you for your astounding performance, dedication, hard work and excellence, and of course, professionalism as a well-deserved team leader of Grace Park Caloocan who continue to inspire the whole team. This award is a proof that your excellence never go unnoticed, and of course, your passion have earned you the Star Employee Award. Congratulations and thank you for your hard work and keep brewing excellence every day.
Congratulations. For the next Star Employee, we've got Carl Louis de Mesa from Hire. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi Carl, this is Mark, your account supervisor. Would like to congratulate you for being our Star Employee for the month of June 2025. So padayon lang and thank you. God bless.
Congratulations. For the next Star Employee of the Month June 2025, I've got Teody Soriano from MCC. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi, Teody Soriano. Congratulations for the Star Employee of the month of June. Keep it up and good job sa iyong trabaho. And once again, congratulations. Thank you.
Once again, congratulations kay Teody. For the next Star Employee of the month of June, Christine Kate Antonio from Modern Table Corporation. Here's the message of your supervisor.
For Modern Table, congratulations to Ms. Christine Kate Antonio for winning the Star Employee of the Month for June. Your hard work and engagement are truly appreciated by everyone. So keep up the fantastic work, Christine. By the way, this is Lynn from World Incorporated, and congratulations.
Kambal pala. Congratulations. Next, for our month of June Star Employee, we've got Melchor Laios from Pigmentex. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi Melchor, this is Mark, your account supervisor. I would like to congratulate you for being Employee of the Month for the month of June 2025. Your hard work and dedication are greatly appreciated by the company. And keep it up, mas galingan mo pa, and again, congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations. Once again, for the next Star Employee of the month of June, Joanne Abalos from Wilcon. Here's the message from your supervisor.
Congratulations, Team Arroyo, on your award as Top Sales Achiever and Joanne Abalos being the Star Employee of the month of June. This award is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep it up, and again, congratulations.
Congratulations. For the next Star Employee of the month of June, Jason Ramos from Surcom. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Our biggest congratulations to Mr. Jason Ramos for being Star Employee of the Month. May this award encourage you to be more efficient and know that our company appreciates your hard work in your job. Keep it up.
Congratulations. For the next Star Employee, we've got Bien Carlos Sanchez from Viva Foods. Here is the message of your supervisor.
Hi, Mr. Giancarlo. Just wanted to say congratulations for being chosen as a Star Employee. Your hard work and good attitude at work make a difference. keep shining because we really appreciate you.
Congratulations for the next star employee. We've got Kristen Joy Llanes from White Lane, Tyson. Here is the message of your supervisor.
Hi team! Congratulations! You won the Star Employee Award for the month of June from WPI account. Looking forward for more achievement this year and have a great day.
Congratulations. So for the last two, let's see who's the next star employee. We've got Dennis De Leon from Royal Y Sport ATV. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi sir, good afternoon. I'm Arnel Estilong, the account supervisor of Royal Iceborne, and I would like to congratulate Mr. Dennis De Leon, one of our deployed employees under ADB, Commissary. And sir, congrats for being the star employee of the month of June. Sana tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung mga mabuti nating gawin and magandang behavior sa ating working environment. And sana magtuloy-tuloy pa yung pagiging star employee mo, sir.
And lastly, our star employee is Julius Lucero. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Ikaw yung ating napipipasa sa employee for the month of June. Masasabi ko lang sa iyo is pagpatuloy mo lang kung ano yung simulan. At sana hindi ka magbago. Gusto lang ito batiin lang. Congratulations.
Ayan, isang malakas na palakpakan naman. Congratulations to all of our list of awardee star employees for the month of June 2025. At syempre, we have here Ma'am Tess, our President and COO for WealthLink. And may I also invite the supervisor, okay? Where is our supervisor? Sir Ivan Lachica. Okay? And syempre, nandito din ang isa sa mga star employees of the month of June 2025. Let's give it a palakpakan naman po natin, Julius Lucero from Daikin. Ayan, at syempre, at the same time, ayan, habang pinipicturean siya, ayan, kaway-kaway naman. Ayan, and we are going to hear a short message from one of the star employees for the month of 2025. Julius, take it away.
Hello, sa lahat, gusto ko dahil sa kanila na nagbubulos ka. Pangalawa, kay Wendy, kaya nila na ganito, kumbaga, mas ginagana kayo magtrabaho. Kumbaga, sa susunod is gagalingan pa po natin. Maraming salamat and magandang hapon sa lahat.
Once again, congratulations. Yeah, so right now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the awarding for our top 10 star employees of the month of June 2025. Next naman natin na i-award ay ang Star Employee of the Quarter. Okay. So, for the Star Employee of the Quarter, let's once again, congratulations to all the nominees. Pero meron tayong isa na talagang namayagpag at bukod tanging nanalo. A star. Nagtatawa na po sila dito. Parang kayo tanggapin yung award. Our Star Employee of the Quarter is... Yes, Crystal Ramos from Golden Donuts Incorporated. So right now, Crystal, Ramos, congratulations sa'yo.
Congratulations, Crystal May Ramos, for being a star employee. Keep up the good work.
Once again, congratulations. And syempre, together with Ma'am Tess, we've got our awardee, Crystal Ramos, na nandito. And also, her supervisor to give him a round of applause. Charot. Meron siyang, syempre, meron siyang award din. Ayan. So, congratulations. Okay. And at this point in time, habang nagpipicture sila, syempre, katulad ng kanina, we would like to ask for a message from our star employee of the quarter.
Una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang pong sabihin po, thank you po, Wellthink po, for giving the opportunity po na makasama po sa star employee po ng ilang buwan po. Especially po kay Ma'am Claire po. Tapos po sa mga manager ko po sa Dunkin po, sa Dunkin and Lex po. Thank you din po, ma'am. Yan lang po.
Yes, once again, congratulations kay Crystal. Ayan, sila po yung mga nandito. Unfortunately, some of the star employees weren't able to come here sa ating venue, but still, congratulations po sa inyo. So, after that, what we are about to witness is the WeCash video. Let's take a short break for the meantime with a special video clip about WeCash. This is what we call WealthLink Easy Cash, an employee benefit solution to transform financial wellness for our employees in collaboration with Paywash. This is designed to provide employees greater flexibility and peace of mind regarding their finances. So, let's watch this video. Yes, that is a commercial about WeCash introduction. So, kita nyo naman guys, yan, kung napanood nyo at na-screenshot nyo, feeling ko yung part na yun na-screenshot nyo, no? Parang wala yata siyang, wala siyang interest. Yan ang walang interest na gugustuhin nyo, di ba? So, if you wanted to know more about it, syempre, just inquire with your immediate supervisor, I guess. So, syempre, kung sino naman yung mga pwede natin lapitan sa WealthLink. That is in collaboration with Paywash. Okay. So sa mga struggling sa finances, guys, na employee ng WellThink, this is now your chance to at least regain your finances. Okay. Now, back to the awards. We are going to award the top sales achievers. So this is the category for the top sales. We are going to show you the nominees for the top sales achiever for the month of June 2025. Once again, congratulations to all of the nominees. Pero syempre, we've got the top sales achiever. Not one, not two, but three. So, to announce the winners for the top sales achievers for the month of June 2025, let's go and watch it. First is Kim Arroyo from Welcon. Here is the message of your supervisor.
Congratulations, Kim Arroyo, on your award as Top Sales Achiever and Joan Abalos being the Star Employee of the month of June. This award is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep it up, and again, congratulations.
Congratulations again to Kim Arroyo from Wilcon Depot. Next, we've got Mona Lisa Senatilla from Nike. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi Mona, I am Ivan, your account supervisors. And gusto lang natang batiin na congratulations dahil ikaw ay aming napiling ay top sales achiever of the month of June. Once again, congratulations and keep it up. Thank you.
And for congratulations, and for the last achiever, top sales achiever, we've got Jericho Alignay from Hire. Here's the message of your supervisor.
Hi Jericho, this is Mark, your account supervisor. So I'd like to congratulate you for being our top sales achiever for the month of June 2025. So keep it up and good luck sa susunod. Thank you.
Congratulations again. And syempre, to award it live here, nandito si Jericho Alignay. And also, I would like to call on first the supervisor, sir, of Jericho. And let's give it up again. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jericho Alignay. Siyempre, it's going to be awarded by Ma'am Pez, our President and CEO from WellThink. Well, let's have some pictures for you. And thank you so much also to Jericho for coming here. And siyempre, any inspiring words from Jericho?
Hello po. Kapag po sa lahat, ano po inaasahan ko kayo dito kami sa message na ibigay namin ngayong araw nito. So yun po, ako po sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa buong team. Siyempre po, kay Dipot, pati po siya kay mga bagay na nangyayari ngayon. Dati po kasi nanonood lang ako sa last nangyaring award, pero ngayon kumbaga nagbunga na yung sikat na so para sa mga kapwa ko ay lawyers na nagkita yung seryoso ng tayo at mag-focus at mag-pilipas at lalo sa area dapat sa lahat ng mga negative na sa paligid isipin natin na lagi si Mr. Shopper Mr. Shopper, lagi tayong seryoso. Nasa isip natin yung parang magpapagilas tayo sa kanya. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Yes, maraming salamat. O, diba? Narinig nyo ang words of wisdom ni Jericho Alignay, our top sales achiever. Ayan, diba? Hindi pa siya ready nun, guys. So, And now, before we move along to the top sales achiever of the quarter, commercial break muna tayo. Pwede bang pahingi ako ng mga gusto magpa-shoutout? Kumakapal na ang shoutout dito. Maraming salamat, Shona. Dapat ikaw nag-announce ito eh. Ayan, shoutout Miss Claire. Ang ganda mo talaga. Wow! Iba talaga. From Yasime Kochi. Hey! Iba talaga. Next! Mga gusto magpa-shoutout eh, no? Shoutout po! Baka may hollow blocks po kayo. Hindi po kami nagpapamain dito. Joke lang po. Bon Dumayan, from Bon Dumayan. Shoutout CBS Palawan. O, di ba? Layo! Grabe. Hello po dyan sa mga taga Palawan. Next, from Arnel Gumapa. Shoutout sa CBS Mango, Cebu City. Yeah. From JC Angeles. Go, Sir Com! Sabi niya sa shoutout niya. Yeah. From Esmeralda Bahenting, shout out Sir Wee Marlon Beredico. Ayan, shout out po sa'yo. Neil, pa-wash out po. Ano ba palinis? Anong ba pa-wash mo, sir? Ayan, Neil, pa-wash out po. And from Yasi May Pochi, shout out po sa 257 McKinley Duncan. Ayan. McKinley Duncan. Ayan, 257. 25. Sobra sa 24 hours. Ayan, 24/7, McKinley Duncan. Next naman ay from Daniel Fragata. Shout out po from Robinson Olongapo. Hello po. And lastly, last shout out natin from Mark Chino Azanya. Sana naman may manalo na taga Pigmentex. Ayan. Sana, di ba? Kung may manalo na taga-Pigmentex. Yun ay kung merong top achiever. Yun naman ang ano dito eh. Labanan dito eh, syempre. Lahat naman tayo ay employees and we for the fact appreciate you in terms of your service, syempre with WealthLink. Pero these awards is being earned by being top of the employees as well. So, sa mga top employees natin, congratulations. At eto na nga, as we continue with the next part of our program, kanina is the top sales achiever for the month of June 2025. Eto naman, we are going to show you the top sales achiever of the quarter nominees. So, let's watch the video of the nominees for the top sales achiever of the quarter. Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga nominees. Hindi na namin kayo iisa-isahin, but we are going to prioritize the top sales achiever of the quarter. At yon ay wala ng iba kung hindi si... Sana naman ulit si Jericho Alignay from Hire. Congratulations! Parang sa brand ng ine-endorse mo, Hire.
For the month of June 2025. So, keep it up and good luck sa susunod at thank you.
Ayun, congratulations again. Siyempre, may I ask again for Ma'am Tess to join us here together with Sir Mark, their supervisor. Once again, palakpakan ulit natin from Hire, si Sir Jericho Alignay. Ayan. So, I think nakabigay na siya ng words of wisdom. Any additional pa? Ayan. Baka may gusto kang i-shout out asawa mo. O baka meron kang mga gustong i-shout out ngayon. Ito naman yung pagkakataon mo.
Naligayin ako sa'yo. Kaya, dalawa ko baon ko para pagpasok bukas. Kumbaga, madati naging pagiging kasi kumbaga. Pero hindi, kumbaga, baon ko to dahil kumbaga makakatulong ko sa performance ko sa pang-araw-araw para sa mga susunod na event dahil dito, malay natin makakapag-ulit tayo. Kumbaga, syempre, para sa lahat ulit ng mga empleyado ni WorldLink, galingan pa natin para kumbaga hindi naman natin inaasahan yung mga ganitong bagay. So bigla-bigla lang itatawag sa'yo, mga supervisor natin, nakasama ka pala. Okay na okay to. Thank you po.
Yun, once again, congratulations kay Jeff. Ayan guys, sa ating mga awardee, ako nakikita nyo may mga certificate showing as well as yung black na envelope na nakikita nyo. That is a cash reward or cash award for our top employees. Pero na-appreciate namin kayo as part of our incentive din. Hindi lang to certificate, naka-receive din kayo ng cash award from the Wealth Link. So congratulations again. And now, as we move along to our program, magkakaroon tayo ng mini raffle draw. But before that, magpa-shoutout ulit tayo. Meron man dagdag? Ate Chona? Isa lang. Okay, sige. From Archie Somicho. Shoutout kay Ruel. Ang pinaka-bagets ng Wealth Link. Pili ko baliktad to. Ayan. Ruel, ang pinaka-bagets ng Wealth Link. Shoutout sa'yo. Ayan. Sa mga nagpapa-shoutout po sa akin, again guys, hindi po ako si Sir Lloyd, ha? I'm Joseph the host. Okay? Now, let's move along to mini raffle. Ilan ang ipaparaffle natin? 5 ulit ang magwawagi, guys. So, let's draw the raffle. Congratulations kay Julian Cinco, our first raffle winner. Adeline Mendoza, congratulations, our second mini raffle winner. Huli na ba to? Huli na to? Last! Okay. Shani May Espinola! Congratulations sa lahat ng ating mga winners ng mini raffle. So, correction lang, no? Ang mangyayari pala dito is makikredit kaagad ito sa inyong mga card ba? Sa kanilang cash card? Tama ba? Sa Hello Money Payroll Account. Doon po siya kagad maikikredit yung inyong mga mini prizes. Ayan, congratulations po. Ayan, pa-burger naman po kayo. And right now, let's, after drawing the mini raffle, as we proceed with the awarding, pero bago po ang awarding, we are going to announce some job openings. So, we are excited to announce some job openings at Wealth Link. If you know someone who would be a great fit, let them know and refer them now. Video, please. Yeah, we need, first, we need sales promoter, and areas of deployment will be Aurora, Zamboanga, Batac, Batangas, City Main, Camalig, Canton Ilocos, Gaisano City Mall, Butuan, Gaisano City Mall, Iligan, Bingog, Iligan, Isabela, Legazpi, Lingayen, Pagudpud. Next, we've got sales promoter. Here are the areas of employment. Okada, Manila. Bilis. And screenshot nyo na lang po. Line cook and dining staff. Okay. Next, BGC Taguig. Job vacancies. We need barista server, cashier server, kitchen staff, restaurant manager, and restaurant supervisor. Screenshot nyo na yan. BGC Taguig. We need a lot. Ayan. Hanapin nyo na lang kung fit kayo and screenshot nyo po. Ayan. Send na kayo ng resume. SME Store Tigas, Pasig City. Chef de partie, line cook, receptionist, and sous chef. Screenshot. Glorieta Bahan, Stevie, job vacancies, screenshot it. Restaurant Supervisor in SM North, EDSA Quezon City, SM MOA Pasay, and Festival Mall Alabang. Screenshot ko na po yan. Festival Mall Alabang, we need dishwasher, receptionist, and server. Screenshot ko na po. SM North, EDSA, cashier, server, and server. Screenshot ko na. Frontliner. Yan, areas of deployment, nandiyan na po. Screenshot ko na. Cashier. Areas of deployment, nandyan rin po. Tumalapit kayo. Screenshot ko na. Tunasan, Muntinlupa, areas of deployment. There are a lot of areas of deployment, guys. Makapit kayo dyan. Screenshot ko na. Product specialist. Ang dami. Sa sobrang dami, ang liit ng text. Ayan, screenshot ko na, guys. Makapit kayo dyan. Sales promoter, area of deployment. Ayan, dyan lang. Screenshot ko na rin. O, diba? Ang dami. At may dagdag pa. Ayan. So, i-announce ko lang yung mga iba pang dagdag. So, Wilcon Counter Bagger. Wilcon, ang account ay Wilcon. Lahat to Wilcon. Positions needed. Counter Bagger, DIY Stock Refiller, Utility Helper, Encoder, Product Consultant, Customer Service Representative, and Checker. Ang areas ay Lipa, Batangas, Batangas City, Santo Tomas, Batangas, Cabuyao, Laguna, Pila, Batangas, Dasmariñas, Cavite, Kawit, Cavite, Molino, Cavite, Silang, Cavite, General Trias, Naik, Cavite, Santa Rosa, Laguna, at Cabuyao, Laguna. In addition, meron pa ulit. Another account is Baby Spice. Ang position na kailangan ay server, line cook, at kitchen helper. Areas of deployment will be SM Bacoor, SM MOA Pasay, Parañaque City, BGC Taguig, Greenbelt Makati, One Ayala Makati, BGC Stopover SM Ora, SM Mall of Asia, Ayala Malls Manila Bay, SM North EDSA UPTC, SM Mega Mall The Atrium, The Podium, Green Hills Mall, Trinoma Gateway Mall, North EDSA, Greenbelt, BGC Central, Newport Mall, City Dreams, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, yun po ang ating mga areas of deployment. Next and last account will be the Temp Well. Ang daming positions na needed. We need aircon technician, certified, ducting foreman, tinsmith, which is a duct fabricator, duct helper, arc welder, FCAWNC2, gas welder, arc welder, pipe fitter, ducting leadman, tinsmith B, duct installer, tinsmith B, duct installer again, head technician, and aircon technician. Ang areas of deployment are Pasig City, Quezon City, Taguig City, Soledad Novali, Tagupan City, at Pangasinan. So yun po ang ating mga job openings. So kung medyo bibilisan po kayo, just skip na lang mamaya. After nito naman ng live, naka-record naman po ito. You can always rewatch and screenshot the job openings at mag-refer po kayo kung meron po kayo nakilala. Next in line, after the job opening, ayun, eto na. How to earn rewards. So, eto naman sa mga employees. Ayan. To all employees out there, remember to refer to earn rewards for a chance to earn additional cash and e-raffle tickets for more chances of winning the grand raffle prize. Ayan. Bakit? Siyempre, aside from our salary, Wellclick is also would like to give you some incentives by just referring someone na fits sa position na hinahanap ng Wellclick as well. O malay nyo, diba? Refer lang ng refer. Sabi nga nila, mas maganda kung mas marami kong refer. More chance of for your friend or mga kakilala na makapasok. And pag nakapasok yon at kayo ang referral person, hindi nag-earn kagad kayo. Kung magkano ang referral fee, I don't know. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang yung mga supervisor, kausapin nyo sila about that. So, refer to earn rewards. Let's play the video. kailangan when it comes to refer to earn rewards, guys. So, di ba? Ina-encourage namin kayo. Guys, hindi sa pag-OA kasi meron din ako mga kaibigan sa iba't ibang kumpanya na nagre-refer din. And, you know, may iba na nagseryoso ng pagre-refer while they're employee. Minsan sa sobrang dami ng nare-refer nila, even not a friend, mas malaki yung ina-earn nila for referral versus dun sa ina-earn nila na salary. So, ganun. If you will take serious about it, syempre, you get serious with your job. Pero, kung susumahin nyo, kung halimbawa makarefer kayo ng mga 10, 20 sa isang buwan, isipin nyo kung magkano yun. Diba? Ang laki kaagad ng ma-earn nyo just by referring someone. Diba? Anong tawag doon? Parang usap lang ang puhunan. Diba? Usap lang ang puhunan at pag na-refer, ikaw ang referral employee, mag-earn ka agad ng ganong kalang pera. Now, before tayo mag-proceed sa service awardees, from Hiding Wealth Link, shout out sa lahat ng recruitment ng Wealth Link. Ang gaganda at pogi. Pinuri ang sarili. Okay. Next. Shout out kay K-Ram Ogina. Shout out sa iyo, K-Ram. From Janafel, pa-shout out po sa lahat ng employee ng Wealth Link na nagjo-duty kay ano to? Blue Storm. Ayan, Blue Storm. Ayan. Next, kay Vian Carlos Sanchez. Shout out kay Chef Ian. Shout out po sa iyo, Chef. Kay Owen J. Pa-shout out from Higher Exhibitor SM Ace Hardware Tanza Cavite. Shout out po. At ayun lang. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan. Shoutout ko lang yung mga tumutulong sa akin dito sa ating live. Ayan. Kung kilala nyo sila, i-shoutout nyo din. Ayan. Si Nika, thank you so much for assisting me here. Si Chona, na nandito rin. At syempre si RG, busy sa mga yung nakikita nyo magagandang transition right now sa ating video, si RG po yun. Ayan. Pwede nyo po siyang kuhanin sa media. Sa sideline, no? Ayan, congratulations. Thank you so much for assisting me here. And next naman natin, we are going to announce now the service awardees. So, syempre, na-appreciate namin kayo lahat ng mga loyal sa Wealth Link. First, we are going to award the 5 years of dedicated service. So, please join me in congratulating the 5-year service awardees. Your commitment is invaluable and we really appreciate you guys. So, okay, tatlo na nandito sa ating venue, guys. Pero in total, wow, okay, we've got 4 in total. Do we have a copy of it? Can I have a copy? Okay, we've got a video. First 5 years is Noriel Uwanan from China Bank Savings. Congratulations. We've got a message for you.
Hi, my name is PJ Padilla. I'm the cluster head of APD Northern Luzon. In behalf of the China Bank Savings, we would like to congratulate our driver, Mr. Noriel Uwanan, for having his 5 years in service. And ang galing ni Noriel, actually, bukod sa mabait, mapagkakatiwalaan, and we feel very secure every time na siya yung magiging driver namin. So I hope so, nagayahin din siya ng ibang driver. Very responsible, very energetic, masayahin, at higit sa lahat, mabait at masipag. So Noriel, habang nakikita mo to, napapanood mo to, huwag ka sana magbago. I hope so na may promotion ka na ibibigay ng Wealth Link. Kung hindi, ako mapopromote sa'yo. Okay ba? Ayun. So, thank you very much, Noriel, for being with us. And rest assured, you're considered as one of our family.
Once again, congratulations kay Noriel. For our next loyalty awardee for 5 years in service is Michael Paragas from Golden Donuts Incorporated. Here's the message.
Congratulations, Jan Michael Baragas, on your 6 years of service. Words cannot express how grateful we are for everything you've done for us so far. So maybe it's time for you to level up.
Ayun. Once again, congratulations kay Michael Paragas. So, before I ask for Michael here in front, syempre, ask ko lang ang ating ang kanyang supervisor to, uy, ang dami mo lang exposure, madam, ha? Kaya pala putok na putok yung, blush on mo, ha? Ayan. Ito yung sinoutout kanina, di ba? Okay. Madam, ano pangalan mo ulit? Si Claire. Ayan, sa mga nakakakilala po kay Supervisor Claire. Yee! Shoutout sa asawa niya. Nasa TV na ako. Joke lang po. Okay, let's call on ang ating Loyalty Awardee. 5 years of service, Michael Paragas. Palakpakan natin, guys. Siyempre, ikaw ay tawag dito. You will receive a trophy and a cash award. Congratulations. And siyempre, any words of wisdom from Michael?
Good afternoon po. Thank you po sa Wealthy at Clear po. Thank you rin po sa mga manager ko sa Fisherman Mala po. At thank you sa asawa ko kasi sinamahan niya ako ngayon. I love you po.
Nasaan yung asawa? Nasaan yung asawa? Ba't mo iniwan yung asawa mo? Yan, biro lang. Kala ko pwede tayong papuntahin dito eh. Di ba? Yan, congratulations! By the way, guys, the cash award for this loyalty service is 5,000 pesos. So, congratulations. Your second awardee, si Mr. Michael. Alam mo na. Baka naman, no? Starbucks lang, oh. Pupusin na. Next awardee for 5 years in service is Russell Lisay from Golden Donuts Incorporated. Congratulations sa'yo. Here's the message of
Hi, Russell Paula Lisay. Congratulations on reaching the remarkable milestone of 5 years with us. Your consistent hard work, creativity, and leadership have been pivotal in our journey. From your team, Duncan Rocco Artigas, congratulations!
Yes, congratulations again kay Russell. And before I call Russell, syempre, nandito ulit si Ma'am Tess to award the trophy. And Claire for 5,000 pesos cash award. And let's call on Russell Lisay from Golden Donuts Incorporated. Yes, picture muna. Ayan. And syempre, any words of wisdom from our 5 years in service loyalty awardee, Russell?
Good afternoon po. Bali, thank you po sa website kay Ma'am Islay po.
Ayan, sa ating third awardee, congratulations sa'yo, Russell Lisay. Oo nga pala, no? I just heard from a quick announcement. Kapag ka naka 10 years ka pala na in-service na sa WealthLink, ang magiging cash award mo pala ay 1 month of your salary. Wow! Para kang naka 13th month pay agad nun, napakaaga, di ba? Kapag ka 10 years of service ka na. Pag 20 years ka na, baka ikaw na yung owner ng wealth. Biro lang. Okay. Let's move. Meron pa tayong shoutout dyan para include natin before we announce this next. Okay? Shoutout sa inyo. Jose Maria R. Almido. Pangit yung internet ko. Shoutout sa mga kabady ko, mga driver. Janice Millares Cura, shout out po sa mga WealthLink ng Sercom Canlubang. Ayan. Mga kamag-anak ako sa Canlubang. Next, si Esmeralda Bayenting, shout out sa mga staff ng WealthLink sa Pasig. And Jose Marie, ayun lang pala. Okay. Kumikot na siya. And now, lastly, for the last 5 years of service, loyalty awardee is Goldie Arnello from Golden Donuts again. Congratulations. Here is a message from one of your peers.
Congratulations, Goldie, for being my
that is under emotional improvement program.
Ayan, congratulations. Siyempre, we've got already Ma'am Tess here, our President and COO from WealthLink. At muling nagbabalik ang supervisor ng quarter na to, si Ma'am Claire. And siyempre, let's call on Godi Arnello for the 5 Years of Service Award. Okay, any words of wisdom from our fourth loyalty awardee, Godi?
Hello. Magandang hapon po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa programa ng Wilting. At syempre kay Ma'am Claire sa inyo nito. Maraming salamat po.
Iyo. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the loyalty awardee for 5 years in service. Congratulations po ulit sa inyo. Sabi ko nga as I always say to all of the employees of WealthLink, not only the employees of WealthLink, pero lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho. Itong mga incentives na to is an appreciation from the company. But at the same time, ang pinaka-blessing talaga na naibibigay ay yung trabaho. Diba? Ang mahalaga meron tayong trabaho na nasasandalan para sa mga pang-araw-araw natin na pangangailangan. So, doon pa lang congratulations na sa inyo. And syempre, kayo din, di ba? Kung may loyalty award na sila ng 5 years, pag 5 years din kayo, guys, you will be also here being awarded by Wealth. Congratulations. And now, for this point in time, dahil natapos na ang ating mga service awardees, we are going to watch a feature video for our amazing ito na yun! Third prize! Ayan! An all expenses paid trip to Bangkok for 2. One-way ticket lang. Kayo na po ang kung problema. Biro lang po. Siyempre, all expense paid. Round trip po ito. 4 days, 3 nights. Wow, grabe. So, let's watch this video. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the big moment. Before namin i-announce, mas maganda kung malaman namin kung nanonood pa po ba kayo. So, type WISE3. Type WISE3, ladies and gentlemen. Type WISE3 para malaman. Sige, hintay natin. 1 minute. Mamaya kasi hindi sila nakafocus at mahina ang internet. Type WISE3, ladies and gentlemen, para malaman namin kung nanonood kayo. Baka ikaw na ang manalo sa raffle na to for the third prize. Diba? That is trip to Bangkok, Thailand for 4 days, 3 nights. O, diba? So, I think, nakapokus ba na lahat? Ate Chona? Meron ba? Nakapokus na ba sila lahat? Ayan. Ilan ba ang viewers natin? 52 viewers! Wow! Grabe! Sa mga nanonood po, shoutout po sa inyo guys. Sa ating 52 viewers. So, I think, pataasin natin. Baka dumami yan. Ilan na? 53 na! 53 na! Nadagdagan na ng isa. Na-joke lang. Nasa ilan na ba? Wow! Grabe kayo! Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us announce kung sino magwawagi. Let's draw it! Wilfredo Escoya! Congratulations sa ating nanalo. Unang nanalo ng package tour. Trip to Thailand. Grabihan naman yun. Congratulations kung sino ka man. Ayan. Anong pangalan? Wilfredo? Ano ba? Wilfredo. Okay. Sige. Congratulations. Wilfredo Estoya. Ayan. Wilfredo Estoya, congratulations sa'yo. Now, for the mechanics of it, your account supervisor will be in touch with you shortly to explain how you can claim the prize. So, congratulations sa'yo. I wish you all the best and enjoy the trip. For tuto, diba? Magsama ka isama mo yung asawa mo. Diba? Kung may asawa ka na. Ayan. Kung ayaw mo naman, ibigay mo sa akin yung isa. So, before we announce, sadly, this is the end of our program or live video, but still, thank you so much, guys. Before we end this today's event, I would just like to welcome again for a closing remarks our President and COO of WealthLink. Palakpakan naman natin. A round of applause kay Ma'am Tess.
Thank you. All right. Thank you, MJ. So good afternoon to everyone. I want to congratulate our lucky winner for the free trip to Thailand, Wilfredo Estoya. So may your journey be filled with unforgettable memories and experiences that last a lifetime. I also would like to commend our awardees for their remarkable achievements. Congratulations to our top sales achievers, our star employees, and for those celebrating their 5 years of service. Your dedication and commitment is outstanding. So may you continue to aspire to others around you and achieve greater heights in your career. So, and to everyone who is watching and who participated and tuned in this event, thank you so much. And to all our employees, keep striving and excel and earn more e-raffle tickets for a chance to win exciting trip to Hong Kong. And this coming quarter, this coming quarter, October 2025. So once again, thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in October. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Team of Tess. Siyempre, maraming salamat for inspiring us. Alam nyo, kung sino man po yung nag-build nitong WISE, which is the WealthLink Incentive for Star Employees, I would just like to also congratulate them. Kasi 3 years in a row na to, and it will be a culture for WealthLink to incentivize those people, those employees who are deserving to be incentivized and awarded. Diba? Siyempre, ganda kaya nung ganito, diba? We feel proud kapag tayo yung nakikita at napapansin and being awarded because you're one of the top employees. And before we end this live stream, first of all, thank you very much to all of our viewers. Sa ating mga awardees, congratulations again. Sa lahat naman ng mga nanalo ng mini raffle, hintayin nyo lang po at ibibigay po namin yung raffle directly sa inyong cash card, I believe so. Here's the second prize for the quarterly raffle draw on October. And before we play that, thank you very much, guys. Sa mga nanonood, maraming salamat po. This has been your host, Joseph the host. See you again on October. Thank you!